This is how my edges are now, but they didn't used to be like this. They used to be broken on both sides, but now they are healthy and strong thanks to this amazing hair protein. This protein treatment is what you need for your hair, and the good part is that it's made with just 2 ingredients, and it will take your hair from dry to fully moisturized. And it has an amazing benefit. It strengthens your hair follicles. It also changes your gray hair to black. It restores your hair, and it helps to retain length as well. So let's make this hair protein treatment. So first you take 1 egg and 1 avocado. I prefer organic because I know organic is what my body needs. Foods that are not organic are made from the laboratory and it's not really healthy. So you take just 1 egg and 1 avocado, and that's it. But if you want it to be more, you can make it with 2 eggs, and if I want it to be more, I add 2 eggs. But for this video, I'm going to use 1 egg and also 1 avocado, and that will be it. Then I blend it using my blender. So avocados are rich in vitamins and essential fatty acids that not only nourish the scalp but keep the hair looking healthy, shiny, and hydrated. Studies have shown that the minerals contained in avocados help seal the hair cuticles, plus the combined potassium and magnesium gives a smooth and shiny, frizz-free appearance. Egg yolks are also a great source of biotin, which is a key contributor to healthy hair growth and can guard against dryness, making the hair less prone to breakage. Because eggs contain a lot of protein, they can help to smooth out damaged and frizzy hair. Lutein, a vitamin that moisturizes and strengthens hair, is abundant in egg yolks. This is optional. So I added lavender essential oil. I added like 3 drops. Also, I added rosemary essential oil, 3 drops as well, and also peppermint essential oil. If you don't have any of these, you can add just coconut oil or any oil of your choice and you're good. But just avocado and egg is enough. So the reason why I added the essential oils was just for extra, tingling. As I massage it in my scalp, I feel some tingling going on in my hair, and that is what the menthol in peppermint oil does. It's wash day. So today I'm going to be washing my hair. It has been dry and dirty, so I'm gonna be using this to strengthen my hair follicles. It's a protein treatment that I do like every 6 weeks or maybe 2 months. I do it once in a while, and it helps my hair a whole lot. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna apply this to my hair. So please stay tuned. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you put in your hair, to treat your hair every once in a while. So this is just 2 ingredients and it works amazing. It has amazing benefits. So let's get into the shower and wash this hair. So like everybody does, I wet my hair properly before I put shampoo on it. So this is my homemade black soap shampoo. Black soap is antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial, and is very, very good for our hair and our scalp. So after washing, I rinse and condition my hair and detangle as well. After that, I'm going to rinse it out and then put in my Avocado hair protein treatment. Another good thing about this hair treatment is that it is easy and it's just 2 ingredients, which might probably be sitting in your refrigerator right now, so you might as well use it in your hair. So after detangling in the shower, I normally twist it and then I untwist it to put the treatment. And because I've detangled it, I don't want it to tangle up, so after putting it in one section, I will twist it back, and I will do the same with the rest of my hair. So when I'm done with all the sections of my hair, I'll just put the leftover and rub it around every area of my hair or of my scalp and make sure everything is in there, well incorporated. Then I'll put a shower cap on and leave it for like 20 to 30 minutes before washing it out. And after washing it out, I'm done. So this is how it looks like after washing it out. Very restored and looking so healthy. So I will just put leave-in conditioner and twist it up. So this was me the following day, the hair looking so restored and renewed with just 2 ingredients. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching.